Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Sri Aathma Yoga. Today we are going to learn Tadasana, otherwise called as palm tree pose. Let us do Tadasana together. Stand straight with your feet together, arms at your sides. Press your weight evenly on your feet. Roll your shoulders back, lengthen your spine and look forward. If you have trouble balancing, stand with your feet few inches apart. Ground your feet firmly on the mat. Now, let us practice SAY 3D method here. Close your eyes. Give gentle attention to your neck region. Concentrate your attention on your thyroid gland, foot pipe, and windpipe. Concentrate for 5 deep breaths. By doing this, blood flow, heat, oxygen level, 7 Tadukal, which is physical constituents of body or 7 tissues, and flow of your thoughts are stabilized and blockages in this region are removed. Also, this will improve thyroid gland function. Now, give gentle attention to your shoulders. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. By doing this, blood flow, heat, oxygen level, 7 Tadukal, and flow of your thoughts are stabilized and blockages in this region are removed. Now, give gentle attention to your backbone. Concentrate your attention on Muladhara Chakra, which is the foundation of physical structure of the body, located at base of the spine, and concentrate your attention on entire spine. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. By doing this, blood flow, heat, oxygen level, 7 Tadukal, and flow of your thoughts are stabilized and blockages in this region are removed. This will activate Muladhara Chakra. Now, give gentle attention to your feet. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. Over 2 lakh nerve endings are there in each foot that corresponds to every organ and system within your body. By doing this, blood flow, heat, oxygen level, 7 Tadukal, and flow of your thoughts are stabilized and blockages in this region are removed. Let us come to the benefits of Tadasana. Regular practice of Tadasana improves the alignment of the body, corrects bad posture by keeping the spine erect. We have learned Tadasana. Practice it regularly to attain complete benefits. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thank you.